you can check this printer without this cartridge. Okay, open the cartridge and press this cartridge lever and check it, and you can see this printer is initializing and mechanical also working. Takes some time, and green light is glowing. Okay, today I have a Speedler ZP1102 printer, and this printer problem is both LED is clone and this printer is not become ready. And let's give the power and check it, and you can see both LED is blinking. Okay, it's showing initializing, but this printer is not responding. Okay, and now both LED is clone, nothing improved. Okay, today I'll fix this PM problem. Let's start. This cartridge is okay. I have checked this cartridge. I open this, and here is a common sensor, and this sensor is what for the cartridge, and you can see this lever that is okay or not, and this lever is okay, it's working, and you can see this here, and here is a two sensor that is also okay. You can check this, and all this sensor is as per place or displays. You need to find out this. I think our sensor is okay, here is no problem. Okay, and this problem maybe comes from this power supply. I'm not sure, but at first I will check this power supply, after that I will do what. And you can see this capacitor has changed, and this is not the original capacitor. Okay, that's why I am changing this. This is the power supply, and I have another one, and this one I'll install this one, and this one is okay. Okay, and maybe this one would be problematic, I am not sure, but I want to check this what happened. Okay, okay, power supply and motherboard install is complete, and let's check it. Give the power, insert the cartridge, and play the switch and give the power. Yes, our work is done, and you can see printer is initializing and mechanical also working. Yes, green light also clone. Okay, our printer is ready. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.